How to record a video in Android even when the screen is off. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can record a video even when the screen is off on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, head over to your Google Play Store. Then simply search for iHead background recorder. So simply search for this, and this is the app right here. All you have to do is tap on the install button and install it. Now this app is one of the most popular apps out there, and after you've downloaded it, open it up. After you open it up, tap on start to start its setup. Now I'll just cross, and what you'll have to do is tap on this video icon. So after you tap on it, it might prompt you to allow it to display over other apps, which we will. So search for that app, simply tap on allow, head back, and now give it permissions. And after you give it permissions, tap on the red camera icon again, tap on allow, and now select a directory. Tap on OK and select a directory. I'll just select the vids directory right here. Then tap on use this folder after you're on the directory that you want. Then tap on allow. And after you do that, all you now have to do is tap on this camera icon to start recording. If you get this, tap on the record option right below upgrade, and the recording will begin. Now there you can see I am now using my phone right here. You can turn off your screen as well, but I will not do that since I'm recording the screen right now. But even after you turn off your screen, the video will keep on recording. And after you're done with the recording, you can open this up, tap on this icon again, and stop the recording. Now to find the recording, you'll need to head over to your Files app on your device and go to the directory where you saved it. So let's say this is the one. You can see the video, tap on it, and there you can see the video that we just clicked. And that's how you do it, guys, and that's how you record a video even when the screen is turned off on an Android device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.